What's up, y'all? Man, this is J King here, man. As you can see, I'm out in the field, man. Look, man, I just got a message for y'all. Look, I want to talk about entrepreneurship after the military, all right? I know in the military, when you're getting out, they got a good program. They're gonna tell you exactly what you need to do to get out, all right? But I'm gonna tell you some stuff that they don't tell you, all right? So listen. As you can see, on this one point, I'm outside of one of my buildings. I do commercial cleaning anyway. But back to my message. You see the equipment, my kids. Kids, yes. Yeah. I love them to death, though. Don't get me wrong. But my kids, car seats. But back to the message. You need to know your why. Like, why are you getting out? Like, why? Why are you doing this? Is it because, you want to make a few dollars just because, you're going to get a VA check and you're going to just get a little bit of extra money, like $2,000, $3,000? Okay, that's a good choice. You want more time with your family? That's why I did it. I needed more time with my family, I really need to get back, into my household and learn, who did I leave behind and who did I leave, through the test of time. But I did come back from overseas, so. All right. So next you want to pick an industry, all right? When you pick an industry, you pretty much want to go with it like this. Okay, do I want a product? Going to, sell products? Do I want to give a service? Do I want to go hands-on, give a service like cut some grass, clean windows, clean commercial buildings? What I do. Look, the list can go on, but just pick an industry, all right? After that, now you want to look at it like, okay, what problem can I solve? If you know that a person is going to bleed every time they get cut, right? Well, sell Band-Aids. Solving the problem. Small cuts. Hey, who want to spend a hospital bill? Think about this now. Let me sit my phone down. Think about this. Who wanna? My hands ashy. I'm trying to grow it out once again. But who want to like really? Just think about that. Who want to spend in the thousands just for a little minor cut? I'd rather stop a Band-Aid. All right. Supply and demand. Remember that. Excuse me. So just think about that. That's why I got into commercial cleaning. I'm gonna be honest with you. That's why I got into commercial cleaning, because I always knew, as long as there's dirt on the ground, somebody gonna have to be there to make it shiny again. Nobody want to spend a couple tens of thousands replacing the whole floor when they can just throw some wax on it, make it look shiny again. If it's cracked up, okay, replace one little tile, boom, make it look shiny again. Once I learned how to do that, I solved the problem. All right, next you would just want to look at let me tell you what one of my NCOs told me. One of the sergeants told me when I was getting out. And he knew I was at the edge of just I couldn't take it no more, man. Being micromanaged like that, I couldn't take it. So I said, you know what? Here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna take your advice. And here's what he told me. He said, whatever you do, just bow out gracefully. Think about that. Whatever you do, bow out gracefully. I mean, if you care about your integrity like I do, integrity is everything. Trust me. I base my whole business on integrity. Like, what is integrity? Integrity is basically what they say. When I got in the military, this is what they told us. First thing they ever told us was integrity. All right, learn what it is. I heard of it, but it was like integrity. It's like, man, just be real. Like, you know what I'm saying? Everybody know that. Like, them basic words. Like, especially in my household, how I grew up. Basic words. Integrity. But nah, that was like, integrity is doing the right thing even when nobody is watching. do the right thing at all times, even when nobody is watching. Think about that. Let me get in the middle, man. Think about that. Entrepreneurship after the military, man. It's like an unwritten thing. Like, once you get out, it's like, I'm talking to the veterans right now. The people that actually got out and they bowed out gracefully. I'm talking to the veterans, man. Entrepreneurship after the military. I'm gonna have to coin that one. Entrepreneurship after the military. Let's think about this. I might have to package something off that one. I might have to package that one. If you do, just give me some credit. Just hit me up, man. This the only one I'm gonna give y'all now. Cause I already got something coming now. Just wait. I'm gonna package it up. Cause look, man, I come out the house maybe. Let me pick the camera up because I'm holding it down. I come out the house maybe 2 hours a day. If I want to go out of town for the weekend, I can, man. But my family know that I'm in that grind stage. I'm really trying to put something together that wasn't put together for me, I would say, entrepreneurship. Because, most people turn to entrepreneurship just based off something just scarred them in a way and it just pushed them that way. And, that's what drives them, so. And for me, that's my family and like my entire family, not just in my household, my whole entire family. Like, yeah, we really gotta we get out there and get to it. Some people really, they got too greedy and they fail to, typical story, coming from that world. But man, I need to put something around my eyes, man. I've been trying to stay up late and just be writing an ebook, man, trying to create this little course just to get to the people. It ain't gonna cost too, man. It ain't gonna break your pocket or nothing like that. But the game is meant to be sold, not to be told. But anyway, man, I'm gonna get up out of here, man. I'm outside this building, like I said. I don't want to show their name. You see the reserve parking and all that. It's a bank. I just document my journey for real, man. Like, for real. I got the mic and all of that, man. Look at this. Y'all see? In grind mode. I'm trying to grow my curls out. I had a little fade, but I grow it a little bit. Trying to grow a beard too. Look at my finger and ass you too. Look at it. I could sit down and do the whole thing at my desk, but I really like getting out. I like getting out here just talking, man. Just giving y'all the nuggets, man. Document my journey, man. The goal, we talking about my little chop too. Like, bro, let me get back to my goal, but this is my second building today. I did 4 yesterday. Man, like, I'm not even tired. I could do so much more, but it's like, when you really in that grind mode and you know what's coming and you're trying to build and really just, you're trying to go into that entrepreneur space and stop doing all the work, that's the point I'm at now. So 3 years, man. I've been home for 3 years. Veteran, been home for 3 years. And it's been up and down, up and down, up and down. See, I've seen so many 10,000, man, like, time to see that whole thing, man. And I want to document it, though. Because anybody can get 10,000, trust me. You wake up, to make 10,000. Especially where I stay. In Greensboro, I smoked a lot of cigarettes, too, in the military, man. I love black man. But anyway, I'm out here now, though. I'm getting it right. Get that 100. And y'all gonna see me do it, though. But anyway, I'm talking too long. If you with me, man, just do me a favor, man. Hit that like, subscribe. This is J King. This is a This was about entrepreneurship after the military. Save this one, man. Save this one. You're going to have to come back to it. Trust me. Trust me. It's 2022. They said when them twos align. Hey, when them twos align, man, that's all I'm going to say. But look, man, J King, man, I'm out. Stay focused, man. Keep moving forward. Keep moving forward. I'm so tired. Keep going, man. And y'all can see my beard develop too, man. I ain't gonna do the whole net thing, even though I can grow it in, but I'm out here, man. Out of here.